PhysInk, an application for sketching physical behavior. Describing physical behavior is a routine task for many, yet it is not well supported by existing software. Physics teachers sketch concepts on blackboards instead of using animation tools like Flash, which lack physicality. Game designers use physics engines to move their characters, but must constantly tweak physical parameters to get the behavior they want. In this case, the designer is trying to send the character through the hole by adjusting the turtle's bounciness. It would be more convenient if teachers and game designers could demonstrate the behavior they want and let the system figure out how to make it happen. PhysInk is a sketching application for describing physical behavior by demonstration. The user can sketch rigid bodies and constraints on how the bodies can move. This includes pin joints, anchors, ropes, and springs. The user can then demonstrate behavior by directly manipulating the sketch. PhysInk enforces constraints so objects only move as you'd expect them to. Rigid bodies collide, the ball can move freely, the platform can only rotate, the rope has a fixed length, the spring is elastic, and anchored objects can't move. The behavior can then be played back, saved, and shared. PhysInk is more than an animation tool. The user's demonstration is captured in a timeline of distinct, causally linked events. Here, the movement of ball 1 bouncing off the paddles is captured as movement and contact events. The user rewinds the behavior and records the concurrent motion of ball 2. The timeline enables causality-aware editing. Here, the user decides to modify the motion of ball 1 so that the bottom paddle should no longer rotate. PhysInk helps to edit the timeline, ensuring it no longer moves, while ball 2's movement is unaffected by the change. The timeline is also used to find a physically correct version of the user's demonstration. In the following examples, the user demonstrates a path in green, and PhysInk's simulation is depicted in red. In this way, a game designer could demonstrate behavior and have PhysInk figure out the rest. Here, the user describes a golf ball dispenser where the ball either flies over the tee or lands lightly on top of it. Once again, PhysInk finds physically correct behavior in each case. PhysInk, an application for sketching physical behavior.